out of the blue, the deep, deep blue. You wanted to let me know you made it back to town. You're better now. And would I meet you down at Casita? We could take the long road to the bottom of a bottle of tequila.
It'll be okay. It's gonna be a great day.
And God knows I need you, 'cause I'm still trying to take the high road.
Oh, Riles. She outdid me. Always does.
And I don't think that I
2,
can
3.
I left my keys on the stairs.
What do you think?
Wonderful. Awesome. Lovely. Beautiful.
Knocked and called out your name. I beat my knuckles raw. Just to feel.
We might not be getting through all this. So today and tonight, together, take time to take it all in. These are the people who have helped us get here to this exact moment, in front of our loving parents and family. And we finally get to commit ourselves to each other, always and forever. I love you, Alex.
And I'm still trying to take the high road. But I lost my wind a mile ago. And I don't think that
Good afternoon and welcome. We are gathered here in the presence of God, family and friends to unite Riley and Alex in marriage. Marriage, that lifelong vocation, and therefore not to be entered into lightly, but reverently, advisedly, without hesitation, and most of all with God's blessing.
And I don't think that I can hold on.
Riley and Alex, today you will receive God's greatest gift, another person to share with, grow with, change with, and be joyful with. And to stand as one when trials and tribulations enter your lives, like when the Packers beat the Vikings. Alex, Riley, everything you need is here. You have each other. You have family and friends, and you have God. There is nothing else you will need.
Riley, I speak these vows not only as a promise, but as privileges. I vow to love you, to respect and support you, and to be patient with you. I vow to be kind, unselfish, and trustworthy, so that together our dreams of a beautiful future can come true. Today, a dream of once blonde-haired boy has been fulfilled. Riley, from this day forward, I will forever be by your side.
Alexander Robert Hanks, or as I like to say, Al. There is one thing, maybe the most important thing that I have ever been patient for in my life, and that was love. The kind of love that makes you question how you ever lived a day in your life without this person. I was patient to find my best friend, my soulmate. I was patient to find you, Alex Hanks. I am forever grateful that this universe has brought us together.
Riley and Alex, having witnessed your vows for marriage before God and all assembled here today, it is absolutely my honor and privilege to introduce you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Alex and Riley Hanks.
But I didn't know you yet. I didn't know
Lynn and I prayed for a man that would be worthy of Riley's love. You are the man. My hope is that 35 years from now, Alex, you will still Riley as your stunning bride. I've made a lot of passes in my life, but the most difficult pass I ever made today is when I placed Riley's hand in yours.
You know, as a best friend, all I want for you and for Alex is just to be happy and fulfilled. I can't imagine a better man for you. I'm so proud of you guys for how far you've come, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for you guys.
You guys are some of the most impressive individuals I know. It's been an honor, it's been a privilege to have you guys in our life. You're kind, caring, and you guys always are there for us. Marrying the person you love, there's nothing better than that. So I wish you guys all the luck, and I'm excited to be a part of it. So thanks.
Life's an adventure, a trip now for two. Make sure you stop to enjoy. It's a hell of a view. I've drug on now, and I didn't mean to boast. So raise up your glasses and join me in toast. Congratulations, Alex and Riley. I love you.
First and foremost, I want to thank all of you. You all mean the world to us. We would not be here without any of you. So, Bob and Sue, thank you for being you. Thank you for showing your kids what love means, how to love through the good and the bad, and just be good human beings to everyone. So cheers to you, Bob and Sue. Thank you for everything. Love you tons.
Alex touched on this a bit, but I would love for the four most important people in our lives to stand up right now. So I would love everybody to raise their glasses, because we have nearly 75 years of marriage that we have taken note from. So thank you guys, and cheers to all of you for being here today.